I'd like to share with you a couple tips for attaching Clouser eyes. My first is Clousers are one of several patterns that I tie in stages, and I think you'll get better symmetry if you tie all your eyes on first and then proceed to tie the fly. I also feel as though it gives you the opportunity to use some head cement or some super glue to really rock solid mount that eye. Anyway, first thing I do is hold the eye on a 45-degree angle, put 4, 5, 6 wraps. Pull the eye straight. Do the same thing the other way. Make sure the eye is where you want it. Make sure it's how you want it. This is the only chance you have to move it. Next, I do the typical figure 8 that we've all been taught. Just a couple. No need to build anything up too much. Where I find it really locks in is by coming up and over the eye and down, same side of the shank. Then on this side, and continue. You could do it 4, 5, 6 times. I'm going to show you overhead. What I'm going to do now is cinch up all those wraps over the top of the hook shank. It tightens them right up. I get a damn strong eye, and I still don't have a lot of wraps built up. I'll do it one more time. And I have a good solid eye. Now what I typically do with finish, put some head cement or super glue on, set it aside. It's drying while I tie the next eye. And each and every fly has a much better chance of having the eye in the same location. In regards to eye position, a couple tips. It's going to depend a lot on the action that you want and how much material you're going to tie on. I tend to tie bonefish style, which is all of my material on top. I like that because it allows me to use a smaller eye. The buoyancy of the material on top puts me in a situation where I need less weight on the bottom. If I want more jigging action, I'll come further forward. If I want less jigging action, I'll come further back. All within the realm of that hook shank. You can't forget, if it's a short shank, you can only go so far back with the Clouser eye. Sand eel patterns, I tend to tie a little bit further back. I like to have a real pointy nose on them. If I'm trying to imitate a peanut bunker, I'll keep them kind of forward and tie a short bushy fly. Anyway, the fun of the Clouser is you could turn it into anything you want. But I have found that little lock method for the thread has served me well for a long time. Thanks.